Okay, this is a video request from Snowboard0753, and it's how to change the modes on a stock ETek 1. What you want to do is hold the trigger and then turn it on. You'll get the white flashing lights. Red is to change firing modes. Just hold the trigger down and you'll see how many times it blinks. That blinked 3 times, which means I'm in ramp 1, which is 15 balls a second ramp that activates when you're pulling it at least 5 balls a second, I think. It's also a 3-shot burst, so what you want to do to change that is go press the star button down to the G, and then you want to pull the trigger for how many ever times you want the mode to be in. So 1 would be semi 1, 1 pull would be semi 1, which is uncapped semi. 2 would be semi 2, which is capped at 15, I think. 3 is the mode I'm in, which is 3-shot burst. PSP 3-shot, 15 balls a second ramping. Then you get the 3 shots, the 3-shot burst after. And then ramp 2 is 4 pulls, which is, I think, the same as the first ramp, but it's not 3-shot, so it's just 15 balls a second, 15 balls per second ramp, but just without the 3-shot burst after. And then for ramp 3, I'm pretty sure it is the same as ramp 2, but it just activates at 7.5 balls a second, or 7.5, or 7.7. I'm not sure about that, but it activates around 7 balls a second rather than 5. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in semi 1. So you just pull the trigger once. You pull the trigger once, it blinks once. Go down to the O and then hold it. You'll get the green flashing if it was correctly entered. Then to turn it off, you just hold the star button until it goes down from the E to the O, and then to turn it back on, just hold the star button and you'll be in semi 1. So you just no ramp. I don't know if you can hear it or not. Hold on. Turn the eyes off. Bring it to the mic. That's not ramp, that's semi. So then to change it again, just turn the gun off. And then hold the trigger again. Turn it on. And then I want to put it in ramp 3. So I will hold the trigger down, see how many times it blinks. Only blinked once, so I'm in ramp semi 1. Press the star to go down the G, to the G, and then press it 1, 2, 3, 4 to get to semi 2. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to ramp 2, ramp 2. So 4 times for ramp 2. Then you, go down to the O with the star button, hold it, you get the green flashing lights for ramp 2, and then you turn it off, and turn it back on to check. You're alright, I'm in ramp there, bring it up to the mic, and then, I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it's ramping 15 balls a second. And if you enter the wrong, if you put in insufficient amount or too much, you will then get red flashing lights, which I'll show you now. So you can do 1 to 5 trigger pulls, and there's 5 modes in the stock board, which I already went over. So pull the trigger once, you get 4 blinks for ramp 2, and then go down to the G. Say I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like I said, only goes up to 5 modes, so I should get the red flashing lights, which I did. So, yeah, 1 to 5. 1 is semi 1, uncapped. 2 trigger pulls is semi capped at 15. 3 is PSP 3-shot. 4 is 15 balls a second ramp with no 3-shot. And 5 is 15 balls a second ramp, but the ramp activates at more trigger pulls. So I hope this helped. Yeah, hope it helped. Peace.